Dressing resin grinding wheel part 2. Our variable parameter setting. Light up user-defined and password interface. Enter the password UVW and press the Set Password button. Press All Variable. Check the upper trim position R2 and lower trim position R3 coordinates. Set up and down the grinding wheel compensation amount and dressing times. Step 4. Close the front door and start dressing. Click the M processing operation button. Close the feeding turntable and lock the screw. Click the front door switch button to close the front door. Turn the feed override knob to %100. Light up the manual button and the up-down grinding wheel on stop button. Light up the cooling start and stop button. Adjust the potentiometer knob to adjust the grinding head speed. Click the auto dressing button to start dressing the grinding wheel.